Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're back on the TT02B where we're going to hopefully get it out and running. Now if you remember in the last video, so there's a few bits and pieces sort out. So I need to get all this organised. That's got to be stuck down there now because it was too high up here. So we've got to move a few bits and pieces around. So let's get that sorted and then hopefully we're going to take it out for a run with another well-known YouTuber. So there we go. There's all the wiring tidied up, secured. Now the body actually fits on okay. It's not sitting too high. Its clips are on. That should be ready to go. Now all that's left to do, get some batteries charged up. We're going to run the Turnigy 2S in it and we're going to test it on the 3S as well. These were sent over by Hobbyking. There's an affiliate link in the description. Go and have a look, see what they've got on the site. Anything you do get from there, I'll get a little bit back from, which helps me buy more projects and everything else that I get on with. So here we are. I've finally got the TT02B out. I've actually had a bit of a blast already and broke the spoiler, but I'll put the running video after this. And I told you I'll be joined by a well-known YouTuber. And here he is, Mr. Mark Bryan.
I've heard of him.
Mark Bryan RC.
And I've just ripped the rear shock tower off, and
Yeah, but it's all back on now, so it's fine.
Pulled the screws at the back, then it's on, but we're going to give it another go now.
Yep, hopefully get some jumps with this one. Get some decent footage.
Try not to crash.
And hopefully not hit the tree that I said I was going to hit, which Mark found first.
Right then, she's ready to go, Tom.
Right, let's give it a go.
Top one. Whoa. Ouch! You know, wingless. Whoops a daisy.
Good job I got a print. I'll print another one there.
It looks cool like that anyway. Badass now. Keep going out your way. Jeez. I like it. got that. Yeah, it's still got it as well. Oh, they had a good launch then. I thought they were going. Sorry, Tom. It's an animal, Tom. Look at that thing, mate. TT02B with a lock diff works well, doesn't it? Follow it, Tom. You don't know where they're going.
Especially when they hit a bump.
What were you saying about that tree? Backed out, look. Uh-oh.
That's the Fred strip then.
Yeah. I think I'll stop this then. A little bit of air there, mate. What's the front wheels are flapping about today? Missed the tree. I'm going to try and spin it back into it. Couldn't do that again if I tried. I could do that. Told you. Walk a shame, Tom. Oh no!
You done it again?
No, game over.
Uh-oh, what we got?
It's just the top of the turnbuckles popped off, that's all. And luckily I've got the drive cup, so we're all good.
Pop it back on, away we go.
Like I was saying, they're good because you can adjust the camber.
Yep.
But yeah, they do pop off quite easily. It's the only downside of turnbuckles. But yeah.
At least you can pop them back on.
Yeah, but it's a rock and roll, mate.
Right, let's give it another go.
You can drive it this time.
Oh great, here we go.
Oh, not so lucky with mine, are you?
Nope. At least yours springs back rather than snapping off.
Don't say that again. Okay, so Tom's going to have a bit of a trundle with my beautiful Super Astute. Ready for this? Tom is going to just take it steady, anyway. Give it a bit of a squirt, dude. What a super smooth buggy this is. I think Tom said it's his first go in a rear wheel drive car, I think. I could be wrong. He's having a bit of fun now, I can see.
We go. Finally got the TT02B out for a run with the brushless setup. And as you saw from the video, I was lucky enough to meet up with Mark Bryan from Mark Bryan RC. Took his TT02B out for a run as well. Got a bit of footage of that. There was a little bit of damage on both. So for me, I ended up snapping the wing mount. It's not really an issue, as I've already printed a replacement. And you would have saw from Mark's that he ended up pulling the screws out the diff housing for the rear shock mount. Luckily enough, the parts on these are cheap, so a new diff cover for him, he'll be back up and running. And that's why we like running these, cheap and cheerful. If you do break something, it's not going to break the bank. I never ended up running this on the 3S in the end. We just stuck to the 2S, and that was plenty of fun as it was, as you can see from the running video. So I'd just like to say a big thank you to Mark Bryan for helping me record some of the running shots. Had a good blast out with both of them. And also a big thank you for letting me drive his Super Astute. Gotta say, that thing drove lovely. With a bit of luck, there'll be a few more collaboration videos coming up with me and Mark, as we are fairly local. So that should be fun. In the unlikely event that you haven't subscribed to Mark's channel, go give it a subscribe, go watch some of his videos, including why you should buy a TT02 Type S over a normal TT02. And on that note, I'm going to get this put back together, and I'll see you in the next one.